When it comes to kitchen essentials, this Country Kitchen non-stick cast aluminum cookware set stands out as an ideal blend of functionality, aesthetics, and durability. This 13-piece cookware set is designed to make everyday cooking effortless, enjoyable, and safe. Let's dive into why this cookware set has become a must-have for home chefs and culinary enthusiasts alike. Cooking is more than just preparing meals. It's about creating memories and nourishing your loved ones. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner, having the right cookware can make all the difference. The Country Kitchen non-stick cast aluminum cookware set brings versatility, safety, and style to your kitchen. This review explores every aspect of this cookware set, helping you decide why it should be your next kitchen upgrade. Unboxing: what's inside the set? The Country Kitchen set arrives with a thoughtful selection of cookware essentials, including 8-quart casserole pot with glass lid, 4-quart casserole pot with glass lid, 2-quart saucepan with glass lid, 11-inch frying pan, 8-inch frying pan, 11-inch deep frying pan with glass lid, 11-inch griddle, 4-slot egg pan, steamer insert. The speckled coating and wood-like Bakelite handles add a sophisticated touch, blending modern aesthetics with timeless functionality. Key features that make a difference. Number 1. Non-stick coating for easy cooking and cleanup. The non-stick surface ensures effortless food release and minimal oil usage. Whether you're frying eggs, sautéing vegetables, or preparing delicate sauces, cleanup is a breeze, making this set perfect for everyday use. Number 2. Safe and non-toxic materials. Made from cast aluminum, these pots and pans are free of harmful chemicals, providing peace of mind for health-conscious families. The non-toxic coating enhances food safety without compromising performance. Number 3. Stay cool Bakelite handles. The ergonomic Bakelite handles are designed to stay cool even during high-heat cooking. This feature not only enhances safety but also makes handling pots and pans more comfortable. Number 4. Even heat distribution. Cast aluminum ensures even heat distribution, eliminating hot spots and ensuring perfectly cooked meals every time. The durable construction works seamlessly on various stovetops except for induction. Number 5. Complete versatility. From casseroles to sauces, frying to steaming, this set covers all your culinary needs. The addition of a 4-slot egg pan and griddle brings more versatility to your kitchen arsenal. Performance: a cook's dream. Whether you're flipping pancakes on the griddle or simmering soups in the casserole pot, the performance of this set is outstanding. The non-stick surface resists scratches and wear, ensuring long-term durability. Even heat conduction makes cooking consistent and enjoyable. Design and aesthetics. The speckled coating and wood-like handles give this cookware set a stylish modern look that complements any kitchen decor. The glass lids with steam vents allow you to monitor your cooking without losing moisture, adding both practicality and visual appeal. Why choose the Country Kitchen non-stick cookware set? Number 1. Healthier cooking. The non-stick technology minimizes oil usage, promoting healthier meals without compromising flavor. Number 2. Reduced cleanup hassles. The easy-to-clean surface eliminates the need for scrubbing, saving you time and effort. Number 3. Safety first. The cool touch handles and non-toxic materials make this set a safe choice for your family. Number 4. Value for money. With 13 pieces included, this set offers exceptional value, catering to all your cooking requirements at an affordable price. Care tips to maximize longevity. Always hand wash the cookware to maintain the non-stick finish. Avoid using metal utensils to prevent scratches. Use on low to medium heat for optimal results. Customer reviews and feedback. Customers rave about the durability, performance, and stylish design of the Country Kitchen cookware set. The set has consistently received high ratings for its ease of use and versatile functionality. One user wrote, "This cookware set has transformed my cooking experience. The non-stick coating works like a charm, and the handles truly stay cool. Highly recommend." Conclusion: a must-have for every kitchen. The Country Kitchen non-stick cast aluminum cookware set is more than just a cooking tool. It's a lifestyle upgrade. Combining safety, efficiency, and elegance, this set is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their kitchen game. Whether you're cooking daily meals or hosting dinner parties, this cookware set will never let you down. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.